What's up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? We got another load. This gonna be my last load. We got this load out of Oregon. After we left Utah, we had a load going to Oregon. And what's crazy is I'm back in Utah 4 days later. See the mountains. We're only here for the night though. We ran out of hours to run, so we're here for the night. But today's video, I'm gonna tell y'all some stuff that I didn't know about. I know most of my videos I said I don't got nothing bad to say about Melton, but this probably the one time I got something bad to say. So I'm in a group chat with a couple of people I met at orientation. So on the strength of me going to a funeral, I gotta stay out about 3 more days. Where my wallet fell? Oh shit! All right, I'm back. My bad, y'all. My bad. But what I was saying. Oh yeah, I usually don't got nothing bad to say about Melton. I know I said it in every video, but this video gonna be a little bit different because pretty much ain't good news in my opinion. But I'm not gonna let it discourage me, and I don't think y'all should let it discourage y'all either. So I'm still training. I got 3-4 more days left of over the road training because I had to go to my grandma's funeral, and I was off the truck 3 days, so I gotta make the 3 days up. But the people that I left with, will know I was in orientation with, they are already back in Tulsa, and they waiting on a truck. As in, Melton don't have no more trucks to give out. I don't know if they got to put license plates on trucks, or they just simply have no trucks to give, as in somebody got to quit or get fired, then we get a truck. But it's a whole lot of stuff that's going on that I don't know about, but I know for sure they ain't got no trucks to give. So I mean, if you're in orientation, don't let that discourage you, because stuff still might work out. Back to what I was saying. So they were saying like they don't have any more trucks, and I know it's a class in front of me, a couple of them waiting on trucks, and I know my class, some people in my class waiting on trucks, and I'm pretty sure the class after me gonna be waiting on trucks. I'm pretty sure we still get paid in between time, but I just wanted to inform y'all that's one thing, that's a con that I know about Melton for sure. Like, I guess they run out of trucks. So I'm gonna be back in Tulsa in a couple of days. Hopefully by the weekend, I'll be back by Friday or Saturday. I should be back by then. But yeah, they said that's what they got in the group chat that I'm in. They saying they pretty much kind of sort of ran out of trucks. So I just wanted to let y'all know that. And I know y'all seen that backing video I did. I put that in the front just to entertain y'all a little bit. I'm gonna make my content more entertaining and a bit more watchful, because I just been chilling. I've been on the road, sleeping, road, brush my teeth, shower, work, unload, secure, road. So I've been a lot busy lately. But I told y'all, like, while I'm training, I ain't gonna be able to pull out much content as I want to. But whenever, if they have a truck ready, I'll be vlogging my days and stuff like that. But I just wanted to inform y'all on that. I'm walking through snow. Give me some windows today. Ooh, this snow deep. And I got slippers on. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that Melton be running out of trucks, I guess. Make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. You got a question, let me know what you want to ask. I'll get to it as soon as possible. That snow cold. I'll get to it as soon as possible. Thank y'all for watching the video, dropping comments like you do. And I'm gonna keep putting out good content for y'all. Make sure you hit the subscribe, like, comment. Talk to y'all later.